This week's lecture is going to require you to find chiral centers in your molecules. On the screen, I have drawn a carbon, and this carbon is chiral. This chiral carbon has 4 different attachments. And we could see that by it has a hydrogen, a methyl group, a chlorine, and a bromine. This could be quite easy to determine when the molecule is this simple. Now let's look at more complicated ideas. In this molecule, there is one chiral center. The molecule that has the chlorine attached is chiral. How can this be chiral? On the left side, we have a methyl group, which is one distinct group. On the right side, an ethyl group is attached to that carbon. Notice that it has 2 carbons. We have a chlorine, and then not shown, which is typical of bond line structures, there is a hydrogen attached to this location as well. That is the 4th group. This is the only chiral center in this molecule. Looking at a different type of molecule, this molecule, you may think that this is a chiral center, but in reality it is not chiral. Why is it not chiral? Because it has 2 ethyl groups, 2 of the same type of groups attached to that central carbon. And if there's 2 groups that are the same attached to the central carbon or to the carbon, it is not chiral. So this is a non-chiral or achiral molecule. Okay, lastly, we're going to look at this molecule. This molecule has 2 chiral centers. The first one is probably easy to identify. It is the one that has the SH attached. You can see that the SH, you have a methyl, and you have this bulky area here, which would be 3. Not shown is a hydrogen. This has 4 different attachments and is chiral. The second chiral center in this molecule will be found here. This molecule, or this carbon, has 4 different attachments. It has a methyl group, a ethyl group right here, and then it has a larger substituent with many different things attached. That's your 3rd, and then you have a hydrogen attached here as well. So that makes 4 different attachments to that carbon, and this carbon is also chiral. Now you've seen the differences between chiral centers and also an achiral center. Hopefully this will help you through your week.